So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the noise reduction on the videos like the Premiere Pro sound quality effect that you have been using. If you use the Adobe audio podcast audio enhancer, you can get the same effect in the DaVinci Resolve, not the Studio. Now, in order to get that, just simply go to the switch to the page of Fairlight. You can simply press Shift+7 on a keyboard as well. Now here, once you're inside here, just simply go to the effect section, and in this effect section, you simply need to search for the effect that is noise reduction, and simply drag and drop to your the audio clip, and you can adjust it according to here. And you can once you adjust the things from here, you'll notice that the sound have been the noise from the audio have been removed.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.